Hello everyone. The first personality type is described by the phrase me first. Your approach to life is straightforward and self centered. You make decisions based on what benefits you personally, regardless of the consequences for others. You firmly believe in the survival of the fittest and have no qualms about putting yourself ahead of everyone else. The world is a tough place, and you are determined not to be left behind. And such a person is called an egoist. The second personality type is described by the phrase the height of conceit. Your conversations revolve solely around yourself. You constantly boast about your achievements, possessions, and expertise in various areas. Your self centeredness often becomes obnoxious as you believe you know better than everyone else. Your excessive self importance dominates every interaction, leaving little room for others. And this personality type is described by the word an egoist. Next personality type is described by the phrase let me help you. You find true happiness in caring for others' welfare. Putting others before yourself comes naturally to you, and you genuinely enjoy helping those in need. Your selflessness and empathy make you a great source of support for friends and family. You find fulfillment in making a positive impact on others' lives. And this type of person is called an altruist. Next personality type is described by the phrase leave me alone. You are introspective and self analyzing, constantly questioning how others perceive you. Your preference for solitude or the company of a few close individuals might lead others to see you as unsocial. You may be shy and moody, but your creativity and potential for greatness often shine when you have the space to focus on your passions. And this person is called an introvert. Next personality type is described by the phrase let's do it together. You thrive in social settings and are the life of the party, genuine and enthusiastic. You effortlessly connect with others, making them feel comfortable and at ease. Your energy and outgoing nature draw people to you, and you revel in their company. You find joy in engaging with the world around you and are always up for new experiences. And this personality type is described by the word an extrovert. Next personality type is described by the phrase neither extreme. You display both introverted and extroverted tendencies, depending on the situation and your mood. Your interests and personality are well balanced, allowing you to navigate various social settings with ease. You are adaptable and can relate to a diverse range of people. And such a person is called an ambivert. Next personality type is described by the phrase people are no damn good. Cynicism and bitterness define your view of humanity. You harbor deep mistrust and disdain for others, believing that people are inherently stupid, mean, and corrupt. Your skepticism extends even to yourself, making it challenging to form meaningful connections with others. And this personality type is called a misanthrope. Next personality type is described by the phrase women are no damn good. Due to past wounds, You hold a deep rooted resentment and hatred towards women. Perhaps a traumatic experience with a mother figure contributed to your current feelings. Regardless of the reason, you have developed a defensive wall against trusting or engaging with women. And such a person is called a misogynist. Next personality type is described by an expression: marriage is an institution, and who wants to live in an institution? You resist the idea of committing to marriage and view it as a restrictive and unnecessary institution. While you may enjoy relationships, you prioritize your freedom and independence. The idea of legal ties and obligations feels burdensome to you, and you prefer the flexibility of less formal arrangements. And this type of a person is called a misogamist. And the last personality that we are discussing today can be described with the phrase that the flesh is heir to. You embrace a life of self denial and simplicity, seeking spiritual perfection through austerity and contemplation. You believe that denying earthly pleasures and practicing abstinence lead to a higher plane of spiritual enlightenment. Your focus on the spiritual aspect of life sets you apart from those engrossed in worldly pursuits. So, these are the 10 personality types that we had to discuss in this session. The exercises The exercises related to these words are there in the book Word Power Made Easy, which is very easily available in the market. So you can combine this lecture, this explanation, which is inspired from that book, and then do the exercises on your own. And see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.